friends, how are you? Today we will be making a fan, so let's get started. We are going to make a diagonal straight line and then another diagonal straight line that crosses your first line at the bottom. Now we're going to go back and make another diagonal straight line that parallels with the first one, and another straight line that parallels with the second one, and we're going to want to close those up at each end. Now at the top we are going to make a curved line that attaches the first set of lines to the second set of lines, just like that. And then we're going to want to do the same, maybe about a quarter of the way up, a curved line just like that. Now here down in the bottom section where the curved line meets each edge, we are going to make some straight lines. And do you notice how the straight lines are coming out from the curved line? And then they're hitting here right in the center. So put as many as you'd like into that area. So there's your basic fan. And what you're going to do is you're going to decide on a decoration to put inside. I tend to like to put daisies the inside of my fan. So if you're thinking about maybe making something for your mom for Mother's Day, she might like something like this, a drawing from you. So you can make daisies with a center and then some petals around it. It's up to you. Maybe your mom likes rainbows or birds or maybe butterflies. There we go. Now, another thing that you can do is you can create some little swirly lines. It's always fun. And we can even put some little leaves or berries. Let's put one more over here. How does that look? I think it looks pretty cool. So what I was thinking is I would put some little berries, just some little dots, or you can put some leaves. It's up to you, whatever you think looks nice. Just put around. The way that you make leaves are two curved little lines like this. If you choose that, that's really pretty as well. So I hope you like this project. I appreciate you watching. Thank you.